today we are here to do a live demonstration on Motulevo. Motulevo is one of the profound concepts that we have in Motul. And we all know that transmission is one of the most profound, the most complicated machinery piece. So that's why it needs a lot of attention when doing the change. So that's why we have our dedicated concept for changing, cleaning and flushing the transmission fluid. And here we have Nicola with us, is our expert for the transmission and the transmission fluid. So first what we have to do is we have the tablet which has embedded in all the database of the machine. What we have to do is to select the car model on the database that exists on the tablet. So what I have to do is to go for operation. And from operation, either we can go for the database, and from the database we find a lot of car models in here. You choose Hyundai, and from there you find all details of the car which you've just selected, which is Sonata 2.4 MPI and so on. So when you press OK, and that's what it shows. That's the home page after we selected the transmission type of the car. It finds the transmission, and if you press on the oil, it can directly gives you the oil that is recommended by Motul for this car specifically. So what we have to do is we have to add the oil in the back of the machine to the new oil jerrycan. After we get to the procedure, he'll give you all the details related to the car that we are operating on. So if you zoom in here, you find that this is the exact right oil that we've chosen. This is the OEM specification for the oil. It's SPIV, that's coming from Hyundai itself. And here you can see that the replacement interval is per the manufacturer of the transmission is 60,000 kilometers, and the oil quantity needed is 7.8 liter. And if you go down here, it can show you a lot of information, and the most important out of those is how to connect the machine to the car. If you find here, this is one of the ways that you can offer to be connecting the machine to the car. Here, for example, it can show you that we need from the toolbox or from the connectors box that we have the connector number 8, and this is the rubber connectors we're going to use. Now we have connected, we have already punched the connectors that we got from the toolbox or the connectors box in here, and this is the time to connect the machine. The first option is the transmission clean.
We can start to push the button.
To press OK.
In this operation, you clean the oil and you increase the temperature of the oil. It's finished now. We can push the flag. Yes. And now here you can print the report